Hi guys, welcome to the word study lesson. We can use syllable patterns to help with our reading and spelling. Remember that a syllable is a word chunk with one vowel sound. Longer words are composed of syllables, and sometimes they have prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes are the word parts that go at the beginning of the word, and the suffixes are the word parts that go at the end of the word. We learned about 6 different syllable types: the closed syllables, open, are controlled, VCE, vowel team, and CLE. Closed is the one that has a single vowel followed by one or more consonants. I feel like you guys keep hearing this every single time we watch this video, but there are still some of us that need a reminder what a closed syllable is. And open is a single vowel at the end, and it has a long sound, like in the word he or remote. The first syllable in the word remote is the open syllable. R control is when we have an R. So first we have to have a vowel, and then the R follows that vowel. VCE is the type of syllable that is called vowel consonant E, when we have a vowel, then consonant, and the final E, then the final E makes the vowel say its name, like in the word hide. Vowel team, of course, it has to have a team, right? So we need to have 2 vowels working together to make one sound. And CLE, consonant LE, those are the ones that are always at the end of the word, like in the word circle or bubble. So for today, we have 3 new words. They're actually all nouns. Let's read all of them. The first word is monument. The second word is memorial. And then we have capital. All right, first, let's look at the word monument. Monument, like I said, it's a noun that means something we build to remember something important. If we go on a field trip, hopefully we'll get to go on a field trip to Washington, D.C., you guys might see a lot of monuments, okay? They are built because something important happened. Monument. Let's see how many syllables we have in the word monument. So you guys need to get your hands ready and clap with me. Ready? Monument. So we have 3 syllables, right? Let's split this word into syllables. Monument. Very good. And then let's see, where are our vowels? O is a vowel, U is a vowel, and E is a vowel. Very good. The first syllable is closed. The second one is open. And the third one is closed. Awesome. All right. Let's look at our second word, memorial. Ready? This one is a little tricky. Let's see how many syllables we have in the word memorial. Get your hands ready. Mem or E O. Very good. Memorial. Mem O. Hold on a minute. Did I mess this up? Let me try again. You see, sometimes even I make mistakes. So let me get my hands ready again and see. Let's try again. Mem or E O. That's is much better. Mem or E O. Very good. Marking the vowels, A, E, I, O, U, putting the dots underneath the vowels. Mem is the closed, or will be R control. E will be open. Well, I is an open one, right? And O will be closed. Memorial, okay? So let's have a look in here. Memorial is a noun that means something that we build. So it's just like monument. But when people build memorials, they usually make, let us remember something that was sad, right? Like 9/11, there was a memorial for all the people that lost their lives in New York City on September 11th. All right, and the last word is a noun. It's capital. What word? Capital. Let's split the word capital into syllables. Ready? Cap, it, all. 3 syllables. Awesome. Here we go. Cap, it, all. Marking the vowels. The first one we see that we have 2 consonants locking that vowel, so it's closed. This one is closed. Oh, and this one is closed too. So we have 3 closed syllables. So the capital. A capital is the most important place in the country, okay? Washington, D.C., that's the place I talk about that I'm hoping we will get to go on a field trip there. Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States. The building where Congress meets is also called the Capitol, okay? It's just a little bit, it's spelled differently, right? Capital with the O. The capital with the A is the city that is the most important city, the most important place in the country, capital. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Keep up the good work, and hopefully I will see you again soon. Bye bye.